Do you like some?
Welcome to Tarts and Cards. We're taking apart the engine, and then we're gonna suck, but
and we're gonna see how fast we can get it.
We'll see how. We're just gonna upgrade it. Yeah, because we're done.
What is this?
Suck? Yeah, Tarts and Cards. We're basically, I mean, by the name, we're not very smart, but we know what Google is.
Power Google.
Power Google is insane.
Here we get this moving.
Yes. It's really hard to record. I will have sexual relations with your goddamn grandma.
You might not want to because it's speak.
Ow! What the? Yeah. What the hell?
Technology.
I'm not gonna,
grinding.
I'm not gonna put my grinder to this. Why don't we just do this?
Well, you seem to go there a lot, don't you?
He's a stupid fuck. That guy was retarded. Hey, we called him out. Fuck him. Why didn't we just use the blowtorch? Would have definitely done something good. Howie. I fuck skeletons. He is a black Nazi. We're gonna cut that out.
Oh, it's like a circular.
Don't fuck. What the fuck? Don't rub it. What is?
Look at that.
Yep, that's oil.
And the most expensive sex.
What? I wish I was high.
Use 2 different nuts.
Like, what's this?
I'm probably gonna put Scar this one. Honestly, so. Hello! Welcome to Tamriel. We're kind of living the dream. They're the same motor. They're most likely
There's some slight difference. We're going for all-out performance here.
There's a chisel.
I know.
Meat, please.
Oh yeah. That's a spot.
You
dumbass.
I forgot. Well, she looked like a goddamn 12-year-old. I'm sorry. You spilled it. If you walked away from it after.
If it walked away from it and then it spilled, it's not my problem.
Why did it fall?
It fell by itself.
You mean that big forehead ass woman?
Little imp.